Welcome to today's cooking challenge.
I'm ready for this.
Let's make it fun.
Your challenge today is to bake a carrot cake.
Carrot cake? I can do this.
Yes, my favorite vegetable.
Carrots first. I need all of them.
Don't take too much, Azga.
Focus. Eggs and milk are mine. Consistency is the secret to success.
Oops, too much flour again.
Perfect. The oven is ready.
Oops, almost spilled again.
Careful placement means even baking.
Sabrina shows real technique, very professional for her age.
Asuka is so messy, but it's entertaining to watch.
Firhan is precise, that could give him an edge.
Please rise perfectly. Come on.
Whoa, it's growing fast.
Patience. Timing is everything. 1 minute left. Finish your cakes.
Time's up! Hands off your cakes! It's done, and I'm proud of it! Ha ha!
Sabrina,
Your cake is very balanced,
moist and well decorated. Impressive work.
Sabrina's cake shows skill and balance.
Asuka has creativity. Even if it's messy, the flavor is strong.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for!
Oh my gosh, please let it be me.
Ha! This is so intense! And the winner of the Carrot Cake Challenge is... Sabrina!
She did it!
She deserves it!
I can't believe it. Thank you.
Congratulations, Sabrina! You are today's champion!
Thank you, everyone. This is the happiest moment of my life.